You no longer need to buy a gas cylinder for your kitchen. Today, I am going to show you how to safely, efficiently and effectively produce your own cooking gas at home. It's very easy to make, inexpensive, and I'm sure you'll love it. You'll never have to buy cooking gas again. I have 100% free cooking gas for life. Here are the materials you'll need to produce your own homemade cooking gas. First, you'll need a drum. The bigger it is, the more gas will be produced. Now, we are going to make 2 holes on the top of the drum's lid. The larger hole will serve as the inlet for material, and the smaller one will be used as the gas outlet. Take a brace hose connector and install an O-ring to ensure a leak-proof seal. Take a 2-inch PVC pipe and cut it to 30 inches in length using a saw. Be careful while cutting. Cut one end of the pipe at a bevel angle to prevent blockage inside. Ensure the pipe fits tightly into the lid hole. Apply glue generously on both sides to ensure a strong seal. Even a small leak can ruin the entire gas production. Quickly apply the glue to the drum neck before it cools, then close the lid immediately. Reapply glue around the seal to make sure it's completely leak-proof. Now we need a leak-proof car tube, which will act as our gas storage cylinder. All the produced gas will be stored in this tube for later use. All the connections should look like this. 3 pipes connected to a brace T-joint, merging into one pipe with a brace valve attached for control. This is fresh cow dung, the main ingredient that does the work. Mix it with water in equal ratio and stir well. Too thick will slow down gas production, and too thin will dilute it and reduce efficiency. Now it's time to fill the drum with this mixture. Keep filling until it starts flowing out from the outlet pipe. Now connect the tube. Make sure every pipe and joint is completely leak-proof. Even a small leak can cause the entire system to fail. Finally, after 8 days, our gas tube is fully filled and ready for use. A full tube can run the stove for 7 to 10 minutes. To refill, add at least 1 liter of cow dung and an equal amount of water into the drum. Wait for 1 day and the tube will be full again, ready for the next use. After 9 minutes of use, this is what it looks like. In this way, you can generate unlimited cooking gas for free. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button for more interesting content.